I'm about to walk you through the entire process of how to use ChatGPT and another little known AI tool that can make you a ton of money. You can do this as a complete beginner because AI will do all of the work for you. Let's get started. So first, what is ChatGPT? It's basically an AI bot that can have conversations with you and tell you pretty much anything that you want to know. You can even ask ChatGPT to do things for you like write content, code, and so much more, which is perfect for our money-making method today. Now, let's talk about ElevenLabs. It's a really cool text-to-speech software that can turn any piece of text into a super realistic, human-like voiceover. It's super easy to use even if you're not super tech-savvy, and that's why it's the perfect partner for ChatGPT in our method today. Now that we know what tools we'll be using, let's dive into step 1. First things first, head over to ElevenLabs.io. Once you're there, you'll see a sign up button at the top right corner of the page. Just click on that button and you'll be taken straight to the registration page. Fill out the details and just like that, you're done. For this step, you just need to sign up to ChatGPT, which is super simple as well. And what we're going to be doing is creating YouTube scripts. For today's example, let's say we're creating a video about 5 tips on how to do affiliate marketing. You can ask ChatGPT, can you give me some tips for affiliate marketing? ChatGPT will use its database to generate several tips. You can then use these tips to create a YouTube script. Once ChatGPT generates the content, you can take it and turn it into a YouTube script. Although sometimes I'll use ChatGPT's responses as they are, a lot of the time I'll customize and tweak the content to fit my specific needs. Like sometimes I'll reword a sentence or add some more context to make it more engaging, or I'll use one response as a jumping off point to generate more ideas. Of course, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is just a tool. It's up to you to take the content it generates and turn it into something that's uniquely your own. Alright, let's talk about how to create a voiceover using ElevenLabs. It's a really user-friendly process, so don't worry if you're new to this. This is completely beginner-friendly. Once you have finished logging into ElevenLabs, you'll see a text box on the homepage where you can paste the text you want to convert into a voiceover. We could just paste our ChatGPT YouTube script here. Next, you'll want to select the language and voice you want to use. They have a great selection of voices to choose from, so take your time and find the one that best fits your project. One of the things I like most about ElevenLabs is that once you've selected your voice, you can adjust the pitch, speed, and volume to create a customized voiceover. This is where you can really make your voiceover stand out and match the tone and style of your project. When you're happy with your settings, just click on the generate button to convert the text into a voiceover. And that's it, your voiceover is ready to go. From here, you have a few options. You can download the voiceover file and use it however you like, or you can share it directly on social media. It's super easy to share your voiceover on social media. Just click on the social media icons and follow the prompts. So you've got your voiceover from ElevenLabs, and now it's time to turn it into a YouTube video. The easiest way to do this is by using Pictory.ai's script-to-text feature. So head over to Pictory's website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a New Video button to get started. Next, choose the template you want to use for your video. Pictory has a bunch of cool templates to choose from, so take your pick and get creative. Now it's time to add your script. Simply paste the text generated by ChatGPT into Pictory's script-to-text feature. This will automatically add your script to the video. Once you're done customizing your video, click on the preview button to see how it looks. If you're happy with the results, hit the download button to download the video or share it directly on social media. Now, you must be wondering how you can actually make money with this method. Well, very recently, YouTube has released a feature that lets you monetize your shorts. And now is the time to take advantage of that. You just have to consistently upload shorts, get a ton of views, and start raking in the cash. And you can actually earn money in so many different ways. The first is of course through ad revenue, which is when you make money from ads being shown on your videos. The second way is by promoting affiliate products, and a third way is by promoting your own own products. There's other ways too, you just have to get creative with it. And the combination of ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Pictory will make this a piece of cake for you. So that's our step-by-step tutorial wrapped up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome money-making methods. See you next time.